Do we have another pan?
Mom.
Nope, not here.
Mom.
Put it on a paper plate.
You can try it on a paper plate.
You
I don't know
look
how hard
silly.
the paper plate is. Is it
You
trying
look
yet?
silly,
Well,
Daddy.
I'm putting multiple.
Mom.
What?
Can
Yeah,
I
it's gotta
help
have to
paint?
be deep and have a slope.
No,
One of
it's
the cheap
toxic.
paper plates is just gonna run off the edge.
We're a family of 6 who sold our house, bought a boat, and now we're getting ready to sail around the world. Welcome to our channel. We're here together, alone in the boat. Yep. Liberty's sick, so Gabe is at home with her and Abigail. Todd is in Utah helping our son with his house. And if this boat's ever gonna get done, we gotta work. So it's just Katie and I today. Feels like 43. Where is the box of sanding suits? I don't know.
How many times do you think we've organized this?
Too many. Where is the sanding suits? There's a used one. Alright. Gonna be a Smurf. It's freezing outside. What'd you say? It's like feels like 43 with the wind. Mm-hmm. So maybe this will help me keep warm.
Fashion statement.
Alright.
Going out into the wilderness. Meanwhile, I'm going to get this all ready to paint. But first, I'm going to reorganize down here. So while I was cleaning, I found a chocolate bar, and I don't know where it came from or whose it is. We haven't been to the boat in a long time because we've been gone, so I'm gonna take this as my reward for actually coming to the boat today, so I'm gonna eat it. Alright everyone, this is before. Alright, we're making progress. I'm about to vacuum it all out, so.
Look what we've got. Yeah, I sanded and I sanded and I sanded, and I wasn't getting very far, and it was a lot of work. So we went to lunch, and then we came back and we looked at the sailboat across from us, and they had done a quarter of their hull while we had been at lunch. And I was like, what? So we went over and talked to them, and they said, this is the magic thing. So we went and got one. Oh, it's bigger. It's really bigger. Dad said it would be heavier. So it is a 6-inch rigid, what is it called? Random orbiter sander. We shall see how it goes. Todd got back from Utah, and so we're all here this week. We're going to work on getting some Thru-Hulls out. Morgan had a crazy way of doing their Thru-Hulls, and you're going to see what a pain in the butt that's been. And we are doing some painting. We will see what everybody's up to.
So for the painting that I've been doing, we have been using this brand of paint, the Total Boat Bilge paint. And don't worry, I've been using my mask because of the fumes. And so I've just been using this for the bigger areas, and this little brush to get around all the things that I can't with the bigger brush. So it looks way better than it did. Hey guys, we haven't seen you in a while. What are you doing?
Tying this around here, and then they're gonna go on the droppy ride.
The droppy ride?
Yeah, look, this is what you do. So you pull this. So put it down. No, let me do that. All right, put it down. Put it down. Go. And then when you want to, you pull it up with this. And then drop them again.
Wait, who is it?
These two are mine. This is Stripes and this is Sparkles. Banana.
You guys are weird.
Ninjago.
Why are you wearing this on your head?
Because I'm pretending we're playing Ninjago. This is
What is she?
She's a ninja.
A ninja.
This is what he does. This is what he does.
What did you just say?
The other dropping ride is where you throw your hatchimals off the boat and then go get them.
That sounds traumatic.
Abigail fell off.
Right.
No! Abigail's hatchimal fell off. Dad, watch
That's a big drill.
I'm compensating. This is the rip your arm off drill when it gets stuck. Our boat, in their infinite wisdom, when they built this boat, they not only made all the through-hulls flush with no nipples on them because it's beautiful and smooth, but they also fiberglassed them in on the inside in a big mound of fiberglass, so it makes it impossible almost to replace these. In order to replace this, I got to drill out the old through-hull through about 1.25 inches thick fiberglass. Then I got to go on the inside of the boat and cut and chip out the fiberglass around the seacock, pull the whole system out from the inside. So what I did was I got a piece of oak that I could drive into that hole, so I have a pilot hole for my drill bit on the hole saw, and I'm going to use that to help me guide my hole saw, keep it centered best I can. To drill this through hole out with my hole hog. I don't think I want this on high. Alright. Definitely found the bronze. That's hard work.
How far does it need to go?
Almost all the way to the second bump. Should be about through, but I keep going until I get resistance, I think. I don't know if that's deep enough or not. I don't think I've hit solid bronze yet, that's the thing. Should hit solid bronze. Might be it. Might be it. All to do now is go inside and try, huh?
So which tool are you going to use?
Well, I thought I'd try the vibrating cutter first because it throws up the least amount of dust and garbage into the air, which I don't want to breathe. Nobody wants to breathe.
Miss Katie's painting.
So this is a carbide blade that I'm using here, and teeth look still pretty good on it. Let's see how deep that is. Hey, that's almost all the way up. Can't see though because my stuff is fogging up. See little flakes of bronze. I got that cut out. You can see the corner of the flange right there. That's what I have to unbury, is that flange right there.
Are you not cold enough, dear?
Nope. Apparently this rigid isn't either. I don't know if it doesn't have a good enough fan in it or what, but their products quit all the time like this. I've never had any other products that I've ever on my whole life quit like this. And I've used some products pretty hard.
I'm gonna put my mask on. Ooh, want me to hold it for you? No, you have to give it back. My ninja mask. I'm a ninja, you guys. I'm secretly a ninja. Ta-da! Let's go see what the rest of them are doing. You can't go down there. Mom? Mommy, can you tell the camera what you're doing?
We are painting and chiseling. Okay, you guys can't be down here because we're painting.
But,
Nope.
Mommy, we have this on.
Yeah, it's not the same.
1, 6, 5.
Hold my skin down with it.
Mommy, 1, 6.
We probably should sweep around this, vacuum around it or something.
This did not get cleaned.
Open it. Ugh, nope, that's not clean. Give up on the rigid.
It's cooling.
So what are you using?
Chisel. Hard way. It's nice to know this is going to be the easy through hole. The other one in there is going to be way harder to get to on this top end.
It's a little crazy
What's that?
in here between the fiberglass and the paint fumes and the air conditioning and the vacuum cleaner all within like 5 feet of each other.
Yep.
Like,
Well, at this point I can see the outline, I can see the bolt holes, but I don't know if it's going to come off, but I'm going to take the bolts off anyway. That's one way to get them off. Shear them off. Sheared the bolt right off. And that one sheared off too. Peak 1 and 3 will come out without twisting off. Nope. Should we see what happens if I hit it with a hammer? Is this the recommended way to do things, with a big hammer?
ooh, it's moving.
Ta-da! You can see where my hole saw drilled up alongside of that into there.
Why did we replace it again?
Well, it won't open and close.
Right.
That's the main reason, is because it won't open and close. Out of curiosity, I wonder if the new triangle would fit in that spot. Yeah.
Ooh, it does.
Wow.
That's awesome.
I need a tad bit of modification, but the problem now is the old screws that are sheared off. It's, I don't think, going to be an easy job to drill those out. I didn't expect to see bolts in because they fiberglassed it in. I just expected them to have just fiberglassed it right in. But yippers.